Welcome again, guys. Time for another unboxing and another small monster that I have here, and this is it. This is a Pocher 1/8 scale Fiat F-2. Now I know this kit has been stored for several decades. Well, you can see by the box itself, and the owner decided that he wanted to get this kit done and asked me to do it. So let's open the box, see what's inside. I'm completely clueless what I'm going to find here, but let's go. As you can see, the box has seen better days. So looks like everything is neatly packed, and we have here the actual car and some well, not instructions, just a guide with some extra parts here in case something is missing. And well, first of all, sorry about the camera angle. It's the best way I have to cover this, but if there's anything I need to show you in a more detailed way, I'll try to see the best approach. So I guess, yeah, I'm taking this out of here, and this box can go out. Okay, so let us try, well, staples. I have some staples here I need to remove, if I can. I hate staples. Finally. So, what have we got here? We have some wheels. Fortunately, the tire I'm able to take it out of the rim, so I can paint the rim itself, which is a good thing. We have some chassis parts here. This is for the transmission. The chassis parts, as I said, and some suspension parts here. Just look at this, all rotten. Some spring leaves here, radiator, all plastic so far. I guess these were supposed to be, I'm sorry, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. These are supposed to be the decals, adhesives, I don't know, stickers. It looks like stickers, but just look at the state of them. So let me store it later. we have here, I guess this is the clutch, something to do with the clutch. We have a metal part here, steering wheel, more, well, maybe clutch, transmission, I don't know. We have lots of screws and nuts and gears here, some wire that is completely stuck to the box. I'll have to see the best way to take this out. Yeah, these parts will need a very good cleanup indeed. Stuck to the box. I managed to get them free. Okay, these are two parts that go together. More. We have the, I guess it is the fuel tank with some straps in here. More stickers. I hope they all work. We have a blue strap here. We put it inside. This is the engine. Pretty awkward engine, but this is a 1907, yes, 1907 car, so pretty old. I guess you wouldn't imagine that it would be like nowadays. We have some cloth here. This is for the sides of the car. Well, it's not in bad condition considering the time the car has been stored. We have a seat here. It's plastic. Thought it would be a rubbery plastic, but not. We have a hinge here. This probably will need some lubrication. More, what have we got more? Let me put the wheels back in its place. More transmission parts here. Front or rear suspension, I don't know. I can't even get it out of here. And I guess it is already broken, which is nice, so I'll have to fix it. More, we have, well, a part here. I don't know which part is this. And this is, I guess, a tool. It is a tool for the nuts. And some plastic parts in here. More plastic parts, some rods. This part is loose. This one too. They were supposed to be here. And more rods, loose parts. And well, I guess this is it. Not much more to show. But this is the exhaust. Another loose strap here. Let me put it in place. And I guess this is it for now. I'm going to start working on this car, and let's see what happens with a model that has been stored for well, over 40 years, and we'll see what we get in the end. So let's get to work.